You hit update and suddenly your entire site breaks. Even worse, your visitors start seeing errors while you're trying to fix it. That's every website owner's nightmare. But what if you could test every change safely without touching your live site at all? That's exactly what a staging site is, a clone of your live website where you can experiment freely. In this video, we will show you how to create a staging site in WordPress.com so you can troubleshoot, test updates, and go live with zero risk. Let's start. So we're here in WordPress.com. Now, if you don't have a WordPress.com account, you can start for free. Or if you have an account, you can simply log in. So we are going to log into our WordPress.com account. And we have logged into our WordPress.com account and it's redirecting us to our primary website. Now we are going to hover a mouse over this WordPress logo and click on Sites. This will lead us to the site section. We have a website on the business plan, so we're going to create a staging version of this site. First, let's take a look how this site looks like. So if we visit the site, this is our site. As you can see, everything looks very good over here. But what if we want to change some content over here? If we also go to the dashboard of this site, we can see there are 2 pending plugin updates. Now, we're not sure if these updates will break our site or not. So in order to test this, we can create a staging version of this site. So to do that, what we are going to do is first hover a mouse over here and get back to Sites. And from here, we are going to hover a mouse over the site with the business plan and click on these 3 dots and then click on Settings. From here, you can see there's a staging site option. We're going to click on this tab. Here you will find several options. Create new staging site, switch environment, delete staging site, and try selective sync. We can create a new staging site just by clicking over here. So if we click on this link, it's going to add the staging site. Now you have to wait a few moments before the staging site is created. As you can see, the staging site has been added over here. Now you can see there's a new option over here that's saying production. If we click on this drop down, we have the option to switch between the staging and production site. So let's go ahead and switch to our new staging site. Alright, so we have switched to the staging version of our website. Now let's go ahead and visit our site. Here you can see there's a section which is telling us staging site. This is a staging site that you can use to try out new plugins and themes, debug and troubleshoot changes, and fine-tune every aspect of your website without worrying about breaking your production site. Now, if we visit the site, you can see it's the exact replica of our site. Now we are free to experiment all our changes, update our plugins, and if everything goes well, we can push the changes to the live site. Let's go ahead and update our plugins first. So we are going to head back over to our WordPress admin dashboard. Now we are going to hover a mouse over plugins and click on installed plugins. And we can see there are a few updates. So let's go ahead and update these plugins. It's updated. Also, let's update this plugin. All right, both of these plugins are updated. Now let's visit the site and see if everything is working perfectly. Okay, so we have tested everything and now it's working perfectly. Now let's also make a design change in the contact page. So here is our contact page and let's go ahead and change some things over here. So if we click on edit page, all right, let's go ahead and change the texts first. So here we are going to add a different text. There we go. And let's change the image for this section. So we're going to select this portion. And we are going to close all of these up and expand this overlay section and click on choose an image. And let's choose a different image for this section. Let's choose this image and click on select. Okay, so we have a different image and some different texts. So now let's go ahead and save all the changes. And now also let's view the page and see how it looks in the front end. Okay, so it looks absolutely fine in the front end. So everything is working perfectly. Now that we are done with our updates and our changes, let's push the changes to the main site. So to do that, what we are going to do is hover a mouse over here and get back to sites, get back to our production site and click on these three dots, click on settings, and then click on staging. And now let's choose the staging. And from the sync option over here in this button, if we click on it, we have the option to pull from the production or push to the production. We're going to select push, and we're going to choose the files, folders, and databases. And to confirm, we will have to add in our production site's name and then click on push. And it will take some time for it to sync all the changes. All right, our synchronization completed successfully. Now, based on the size of your website and the amount of your changes, it might take a while. All right, now let's switch over to the production site and let's view our site now. Now, as you can see, this is our production site. And if we head over to the plugin section, we can see that our plugins all are updated. As you can see, if we visit our site and head over to the contact page, all right, we can see that changes have taken place. Now, if you don't see the design changed, give it a moment. Sometimes it takes a while for it to take effect. So that is how you can create a staging site of your WordPress.com website, experiment on that site, and then push it to live site when everything is okay. So that brings us to the end of today's video. We hope that it was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos such as this one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.